This is how to convert Ethereum token to BNB native token or MetaMask. In this video, I will walk you through how to swap Ethereum token, this Ethereum token, to BNB native token or MetaMask. The most cost-effective way to achieve this is to use Binance Smart Chain network. That is to convert and swap your Ethereum token to Binance native token. Before you do this conversion, you make sure that you make provision for gas fee to do this exchange, for you to do any transaction on any crypto wallet, and that includes MetaMask. You have to make provision for gas fee for that network, in this case Binance Smart Chain network. Mostly you have to send in native token for that network. The native token for Binance Smart Chain network is BNB. So in this case there must be some money here before you can do this swap. So since there is money, I have BNB over $6. To convert this Ethereum token, you just click it, you scroll down. Don't forget we are using Binance Smart Chain network. You scroll down, you click swap, because we are swapping Ethereum token to BNB native token. Look at it, token details, network is BNB Smart Chain, and this is the contract address. So to do that, you just click swap. We are swapping from Ethereum to, you select BNB here, BNB. Then you can decide to type any amount you want to swap, but in this case I'm swapping all. I'll just select maximum, so it will generate the equivalent value of what I'm going to get. So this is what I'm going to get. It's cost effective. Look at this amount, 447, you are going to get 541. And if you scroll down, this is the quote rate. 1 Ethereum is got to over 2.6 of BNB. The estimated gas fee is 0.4 that is going to charge me. This is the maximum I'll be charged. So if you are okay with all these details and you are okay with what you are going to get from 5.47, you are going to get 5.39, and they are going to charge you this amount, you just click swap. It can change. Look at it, it's changing continuously. So I like this, it has changed too. So I just click swap. So look at it, it's swapping already. Look at it, swap complete. You just close to see the value of your BNB. Close, look at it, the BNB has jacked up to $11.77, and you can see Ethereum is now 0, and the total amount I have in this wallet is over $12 now. So you now know how to swap and convert your Ethereum token to Binance native token using MetaMask. If you've received value from this video, please subscribe to this channel, like this video. You get to know as soon as I publish my next videos, which is all about tips on how to use various cryptos, apps and exchanges and wallet to your advantage. Don't forget to drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.